Hey guys, it's been a while. I've been really busy. Anyways, we may as well do a cold start of this truck. Now this is a truck I got about a year ago. It used to have some big sides on the flatbed and it used to be really ugly. That's a paint job I did myself. It's just roller and brush, trim clad. It's a 91 F350 with a 7.3. I've got the winter grill cover on. It's a 4x4 dually.
Gifts. Got a Samsung tablet for Katie, video games for Ryan, a monster.
Have you noticed me eating a lot of milk and cookies?
You do have a bit of a sweet tooth.
Don't mind your RPM gauge, it doesn't work until the engine warms up. Formats I made myself with just industrial carpets with the rubber backing. This is my winter beater. I've had it on the road for about a month now and it's been a pretty good truck. Really good in the snow actually, it's really heavy.